Well, this seems to be coming from both sides. Not sure how that can be. But it is. It's quite fascinating. So, this reminds me of the space weapon I got. Well, that's what I call it, the space weapon. But look at that. Both sides. I don't know. We've got a line down there. Then we got one coming across here. Huh. I don't know. It's quite fascinating. This is Borneo, I believe. So, look at the colors on that. And the shape over here. I'm doing it in clips because we'll run out of time. Isn't that fascinating? Okay, so we're doing it in clips again, because this thing takes so long. So we're in like our third take on this. It's taken pretty much kind of like a half hour for it to get like this. We didn't have a half hour, we only get 15 minutes, so I'm doing it in portions. I'm going to stop this at 4:30. We don't have an hour to spend on it, but we got a pretty good look at it. Alright, I'll see you on the next stop.